Hi, this is Erwin. Welcome to 1462 Bella Road in beautiful Glendale Chevy Chase neighborhood. This gorgeous property was recently remodeled from head to toe. You're going to appreciate the top of the line finishes and incredible floor plan. Let's go take a look at this incredible house and enjoy. Introducing an exclusive property in prestigious Glendale Chevy Chase Country Club neighborhood. Experience luxury living in this remarkable property with expansive views and immerse yourself in elegance as you step into this stunningly completely remodeled home, which hosts a modern open concept floor plan, high vaulted ceiling, and beautiful solid white oak hardwood floors throughout. Spanning approximately 2,900 square footage of living area and situated on expansive 18,000 square foot lot. This property offers seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living spaces, entertain guests in style with its spacious living and dining area, complemented by separate family room and fully equipped wet bar for those memorable gatherings. Many fine details can be found throughout this newly redesigned home. Large panel stacked sliding doors create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing your living experience. The open kitchen is true delight, complete with top-of-the-line Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, custom cabinetry, showcasing a 11-foot Exquisite Crescenta courtside island. Next to the kitchen is large breakfast nook area and great family room off from the breakfast nook as its own walkout patio. The master suite boasts a contemporary aesthetic with its own sliding panel doors, vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and a spacious bathroom with marble and quartzite finishes. But that's not all. This property includes separate ADU with its own custom kitchen with dishwasher, in-unit washer-dryer, black walnut hardwood floors, modern bathroom, walk-in closet, and a private deck that offers breathtaking views of Glendale Chevy Chase Mountain. This versatile space is perfect for accommodating family members, guests, home office, or even as a rental opportunity. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this fully landscaped front and backyard, providing a perfect setting for relaxation and entertainment. Truly one of a kind.